What's up, everybody? It's your boy Francisco Fabiano here, and today we're diving into 10 ways you can make money with a dark channel. We're talking about turning your passion for the mysterious, the creepy, the downright spooky into cold, hard cash. It's a niche market, but with the right approach, you can build a loyal following and rake in some serious dough. So buckle up, because we're about to explore the dark side of YouTube monetization. Let's get started. First up, we've got the classic ad revenue. It's the bread and butter for many YouTubers, and it can be especially lucrative for those who delve into dark content. Can you run ads on a dark channel? Absolutely. In fact, many advertisers are eager to place their ads on channels with a dedicated and engaged audience, regardless of the content's theme. YouTube's partner program is open to all kinds of creators, whether you're making horror stories, true crime documentaries, or dark-themed animations. You can monetize your content. The key is to create high-quality, engaging content that keeps viewers hooked. Invest in good equipment and editing software to make your videos stand out. The more views you get, the more ad revenue you earn. It's a simple equation, but it requires consistent effort and creativity to keep those views coming. Longer videos mean more ads, and more ads mean more money. Consider creating content that naturally lends itself to longer formats, like in-depth analyses or extended storytelling. People who are into dark content are passionate and will stick around if you deliver. They appreciate well-crafted narratives and detailed explorations of their favorite topics. Experiment with different video lengths, topics, and styles. Don't be afraid to try something new and see how your audience responds. Pay attention to your analytics. They provide valuable insights into what works and what doesn't, helping you refine your content strategy. Tailor your content to your audience. Engage with them in the comments, ask for feedback, and make adjustments based on their preferences. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. It's a marathon, not a sprint, and persistence is key. But if you're passionate about dark content, you can make a killing from ad revenue. Stay dedicated, keep improving, and watch your channel grow. Next up, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is a powerful way to monetize your content by recommending products or services to your audience. It's all about leveraging the trust you've built with your viewers and turning it into a revenue stream. Partner with brands that align with your channel's niche. This ensures that the products you promote are relevant to your audience, making them more likely to purchase. Think spooky merch, creepy candles, ghost hunting equipment. These are items that your audience will love and find useful, enhancing their overall experience with your content. You'll get a special link, and every time someone buys through your link, you get a cut. This is a great way to earn passive income while providing value to your viewers. Be authentic. Promote products you genuinely believe in. Your audience can tell when you're being genuine, and this builds trust and loyalty. Create engaging segments dedicated to your favorite spooky products. Showcase them in a way that highlights their unique features and benefits. Transparency is key. Let your viewers know you're using affiliate links. This honesty will make them more likely to support you because they understand how it benefits you. Build trust with your audience and make them more likely to support you. Trust is the foundation of any successful affiliate marketing strategy. Choose your partners carefully and promote products you believe in. This ensures that your recommendations are genuine and valuable to your audience. Do all that, and you'll be raking in those affiliate commissions in no time. Remember, the key to successful affiliate marketing is authenticity, relevance, and trust. All right, guys, let's talk sponsorships. As your channel grows, brands will start to take notice. Leverage that influence to secure sponsorship deals. Sponsorship deals can come in all shapes and sizes. Find brands that align with your channel's niche. Actively seek out sponsorship opportunities yourself. Reach out to brands you love and pitch your ideas. Negotiate your sponsorship deals and ask for what you're worth. Be selective about the brands you partner with. Sponsorships can be a fantastic way to monetize your dark channel. Chapter 4. Selling merchandise. Dress your fans in darkness. Selling merchandise is like printing money. Spooky, shadowy money. T-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, posters. Slap your channel logo on it. Think about your audience, their style, what they'd actually wear. Get feedback from your viewers and create merch they'll be proud to rock. Get creative with your designs, collaborate with artists, do limited edition runs or special collaborations. Setting up a merch store is easier than you think. Selling merchandise is a fantastic way to monetize your channel. So get creative, design some killer merch, and watch those sales roll in. Chapter 5. Digital products. Share your dark knowledge. Package your expertise and sell it directly to your audience. Ebooks, online courses, templates, presets. If it can be downloaded, you can sell it. Identify what your audience is craving. Create a digital product that caters to their specific needs. Once created, you can sell it over and over again. Create different tiers of products to cater to different budgets. Digital products are passive income generators. Establish yourself as an authority in your niche. Start building those digital empires. Chapter 6. Channel memberships. Create a community of darkness. Offer channel memberships for your most dedicated fans. Reward their loyalty with exclusive perks and benefits. Offer perks that are genuinely valuable to your audience. Behind-the-scenes content, exclusive live streams, early access to videos. Make it personal. Respond to comments. Host Quanda sessions. The more engaged you are, the more likely they are to stick around. Generate recurring revenue and strengthen your bond with your audience. Create a thriving community around your dark content. Experiment, offer amazing perks, and watch your community flourish. All right, guys, let's talk about crowdfunding. Crowdfunding platforms like Patreon and Ko-Fi allow your fans to support your work. Your viewers are already invested in your content. Crowdfunding gives them a way to show their appreciation. Be transparent with your audience about how contributions will be used. Offer enticing rewards at different pledge levels, exclusive content, behind-the-scenes access, personalized shout-outs. Crowdfunding can be a game changer for dark content creators. Provide a sustainable source of income and foster a deeper connection. Share your passion and let your community rally behind you. All right, guys, let's talk about licensing your content. Turn your creepy creations into a new revenue stream. Let other creators, businesses, or media outlets use your videos, music, or sound effects. Licensing can take many forms, non-exclusive or exclusive licenses. Set different terms and conditions for use. Create a portfolio of your best work and showcase it. Reach out to companies or individuals directly. Licensing your content generates passive income. Expand the reach of your work and open doors to new opportunities. Get ready to license your way to success. All right, guys, let's talk about ad placement in videos. Take control of your monetization by negotiating with advertisers directly. More control over the types of ads that appear in your videos. Ensure ads align with your channel's niche and resonate with your audience. Be strategic and selective with ad placements. Identify brands that align with your values and audience's interests. Get creative with your ad integrations, product reviews, sponsored segments, or entire videos around a brand. Forge stronger relationships with brands and command premium rates. Negotiate some lucrative ad deals. All right, guys, let's talk about reselling private label content. This is a fantastic way to build a business without starting from scratch. Imagine having access to a treasure trove of digital products that you can rebrand and sell as your own. Sounds exciting, right? Tap into existing content that you can legally repurpose and monetize. This means you don't have to spend countless hours creating new content from the ground up. Instead, you can focus on marketing and selling. Private label content refers to digital products sold with rights to rebrand and resell. These can include ebooks, videos, audio files, and even entire courses. The possibilities are endless. Purchase pre-made videos, audio files, or courses and sell them as your own. This allows you to quickly build a library of products without the hassle of content creation. Find high-quality content that aligns with your channel's niche. It's important to choose products that resonate with your audience and add value to their lives. Be selective and choose products you would be proud to call your own. Quality over quantity is key here. Your reputation depends on the quality of the products you offer. Add your own unique spin to the content. This could be through editing, adding new information, or even creating supplementary materials that enhance the original product. Edit the videos, add your own voiceover, create supplementary materials. Make the content truly yours and stand out in the marketplace. Reselling private label content saves time and reduces workload. You can focus on growing your business and reaching more customers. Quickly expand your product offerings and resell your way to success. With the right strategy, you can build a profitable business and enjoy the benefits of passive income. There you have it, guys. 10 killer ways to monetize your dark channel. Building a successful channel takes time, effort, and creativity. Embrace your dark side and start building the channel of your dreams. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Until next time, stay spooky. Thanks for watching.